Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and everything going well in your life. Today we are going to discuss the journey from struggle to success in learning English language with confidently, with fluently. Because this is not just a question, this is the biggest game changer video that can change your life forever. What you need to do exactly, you have to watch this session till the end because I will show you how to think about English with practical and tips and technique. These are not tips only, these are the powerful, you can say, weapon that will truly help you to improve your communication skills forever with naturally. So let's get started today's video. Remember this quotation: failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is the classroom where success is built. So today I want to talk about a journey from failure to success. Many people believe that millions of people experiences they are weak in English. They are very weak at English. They fail in English. That's why they are unable to speak English. They think that English is so difficult as they think. But nothing is that. There is nothing difficult in this world. Everything is possible when you are ready to do anything in your life. So this is the simple game you need to understand. Why you find each and every things so difficult? Because आप तैयार नहीं हो करने के लिए, यू आर नॉट रेडी टू दैट. अगर आपने सोच लिया ना करने का, इफ़ यू थॉट टू डू इट, आप कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू, आई कैन डू, वाई कैन टू डू इट, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट. आई एम नॉट स्पेशल अ पर्सन इन माई लाइफ, आई एम जस्ट सेम लाइक यू. Got it my point? But I exactly want to say to you, I want to say to you, every setback and rejections are the part of life. Setbacks and rejections will be the greatest teacher in our life. So don't try to escape from setbacks and rejections. Rejections are the half of journey to start something new from the beginning. I hope if you understood, this is the main point. I just take this main point to motivate you to remove entire negativity from your mind that is present, which are stopping you to improve your communication skill fluently and effectively with a natural way. So you don't have to think negative about any kind of incident. You have to stay positive because positivity creates more valuable chance in our life. It means it takes ourselves to closer success path. Many people think they are failed to speak English fluently because why they fail in English language? Because they stop practicing too soon. Remember, only speaking will not change your communication further. Only listening will not improve your communication skill faster. We need to focus each and every action so that we can improve our English fluently. But you start reading a simple book. Only reading will not improve your English. I will take you example. If they take the example of Dr. EPJ Abdul Kalam, he was born into a humble family and faced hardship. He worked hard and learned from every setbacks and rejections, but he never stopped believing in his reality, in his dreams reality because of his persistence. But one day he became one of India's greatest scientists, but later the president of India. It means success doesn't belong to the person who never falls, who never fails. Success belongs to the person who never gives up after failing. You are failing because you are not practicing too much. That's why you don't get anything. Natural phenomena in your life. Practice that makes person perfectly. This is the provo. A person becomes perfect, he start working on his mistakes. So this is the simple rule. I hope if you understood this concept. Think about a child. A child falls hundred of times before walking to, before learning to walk on the road. Yet nobody calls that child a failure because every fall is the part of learning. So the learning English exactly the same path. You have to follow the path so that you can improve your English. Think about a doctor. In the first time, no one can become a successful doctor in their life by because they don't have that much information about medical test. Many times they fail test and during training, but learns under experiences mentor. No doctor become an expert on the first day because every challenges makes them more skilled and more confident. So this is the simple path of learning English to speak English confidently. If we have to improve ourselves, we will have to speak multiple time. सपोज दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू आपको तैरना सीखना है, इफ़ यू हैव टू लर्न स्विमिंग, लेकिन आप किताब पढ़ रहे हो बट यू आर रीडिंग ओनली बुक, आपको लगता है, डू यू थिंक दैट यू कैन बी अ फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर इन योर लाइफ विदाउट रीडिंग ओनली अ बुक? नो. अगर आपको तैरना सीखा है, इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न स्विमिंग, तो आपको पानी के अंदर जाना होगा. यू विल हैव टू गेट इन टू द वाटर. इन अ सेम वे, इफ वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव आवर सेल्फ, we will have to speak multiple time, because in the beginning, I know you are a beginner, you will 100% make a mistakes, but there is nothing wrong to make a mistake. Mistakes are the part of learning. I have told you multiple time these things. Never escape from a mistakes like our teacher that teaches us, lets me know what is right, what is wrong. So why are you getting afraid of making mistakes? Don't afraid of making mistakes. I hope if you understood this the lesson. Always remember, failure is not the ending point. Just it is the beginning of a greater journey. You have to think in English instead of translating from each and every things. You have to speak multiple time. You don't have to read only a English grammar book. Sometimes you start reading grammar rules for many years and months, but still you can't see the improvement. You stuck on the basic level. By because many learners, they are making mistakes. They don't know the right path, they don't know the right approach to start speaking English, to speak English confidently. That's why they are not able to speak English confidently, because they don't practice. They rarely practice. That's why they are unable to speak English confidently. Practice makes you perfect, the man in this world. Remember one thing, I have told you multiple times these things, but you don't got at my point. But exactly I want to say to you, इस दुनिया में कुछ भी डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. नथिंग इज डिफ़िकल्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड. सब कुछ ईजी है अगर आप करने के लिए तैयार हो. एवरीथिंग ईजी, एवरीथिंग लुक्स ईजी व्हेन यू आर डिसाइड टू डू समथिंग न्यू इन योर लाइफ. I hope if you understood this session, if you found this session more interesting and valuable, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.